to get his back and his bum.
Yes.
We're going to wash the
Aiden! Hi, Nugget! I'm doing your bath in the woods. Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Are you doing your bath? Are you doing your bath in the dish tub? Oh my gosh, she's so cute right now. Aiden. Hi. Hi, Nugget. This is fun. I like this, Mom. You can get me occupied all day this way. Aiden. Hi. Hi, Nugget. Aiden. Hey.
Aiden, look at Auntie's dress.
Hey. Hi, Nugget. Hi. Are you taking a bath?
Yes, very fast.
Are you taking a bath?
Yes, thanks, yeah.
Oh my God. Let's wash the underarms. Oh my gosh, he loves this. He's so entertained.
I don't know why I'm scrubbing his hands so well, because they're just going to get salty again.
It's about the time. Aiden! Hi.
Oh, no. That's your shower.
Did you just burp?
Yes. Did you just burp? Is that because you drank your shower water?
Maybe, just a little.
Okay. We're going to wash your hair.
I should like not get in your way, but it's a big cute shot.
That's okay. We're going to wash all the sunscreen out of your hair. Okay. Now I have to lean your head back to rinse.
Hi.
Did I rinse
Your hair looks funny.
Did I rinse your hair?
Hi.
Did I rinse?
Hi. Hi, Muffin.
It's been a little cold. We gotta lean his head back.